If you are a woman who loves deeply, and when in a relationship you just want your partner, you don't even feel like talking to any other man, you want only attention of your man, that's it. You want his respect, validation, and everything. You just want to be around him and love him, and you make the man your whole world. If you are this kind of person, then we need to talk good. This is not a time to devote yourself toward a relationship. First build yourself, make your life beautiful. Just think about Priyanka Chopra. She How drastically she made her life beautiful, and then she found love. But first you have to create your life l- full of love. Like, your career should grow and everything. Completely focus on making your life better, and love will find you eventually. Love is not necessary right now. Your focus should be your career. If a man is making you feel small about your devotion and your needs and your wants, then of course you are in a wrong relationship, and you should not tolerate this kind of relationships in your life. Stay alert. Don't waste your potential on anyone who does not understand your feelings, your emotions, your depth. You deserve someone who understands you, who loves you, who is consistent. Okay, right now focus on your career. Focus, completely devote yourself towards God, towards your goals. That's it. Once this is over, love will eventually find you. It's not a big deal. Focus on your career. Take care, love. I love you.